So in this video, we've got ourselves the 12-inch non-skid turntable, aka Lazy Susan, right? So we're going to load this up and show you how convenient it is, and it actually works out really well. It is set up on an actual bearing system, so it's not just plastic on plastic. There are 4 bearings inside of there, which make it very easy to turn. So easy that we can load it up with either heavy things. So there you go. That is a full load of weight on there, no problem. Or we can load it up with a bunch of small things, which is even more convenient. With the non-skid surface on the unit, we're not going to worry about that. We can put everything that we want to put into either our pantry or lower cabinet, or maybe we're just needing it on the actual table. And there you go. We can just keep going with that, not worry about it. We can just keep loading it up. Let's get it right loaded, no problem. There we are. Again, it could be small and large, doesn't matter what you want to put on it, because that's your choice. But look at that, no worries there, easy access, especially if it's in a cabinet or in a pantry. You can easily find what you have in that pantry now, no worries there. This is really good when you get to the back, because easy enough to find it. I mean, if you needed that sauce, well, you can just turn that around and you'll find out if you have some or not, and you're all set to go. But that's it. Does it work? Absolutely. Is it worth getting? For sure. And it's one of these things that having a couple of them doesn't hurt, because you can use them all around the house. Again, if you have a backyard and you're having barbecue outside, it's a great way to have all the condiments outside with you, so this way you have easy access to it. And if you want, you can certainly just keep it on the table, so you can keep all the small things you need in the actual kitchen at all times. It even works in the corner of your countertop. We've been talking about the actual 12-inch non-skid turntable. I hope this video helped you out today. Maybe we'll see you in the next one. Like I say, thanks for watching. Bye for now. GoPro, stop recording.